Is your tenant behind on rent? Do you need to enforce payment? Rent arrears are grounds for eviction, but this won't pay your bills. We can help you resolve your payment dispute. Simply sign up to our app and we will connect you to a dedicated lawyer in your state. At a minimum, your lawyer will consult with you and scrutinize your lease agreement, review your unique circumstances, and advise on your approach. Filing a case against your tenant will damage their credit and cost you money. Negotiating a payment plan with your tenant could be an effective solution. Consulting a lawyer can help you stay within the law and avoid unnecessary problems. If you go to court, your membership provides a legal defense at a 25% discount on your lawyer's rate. Hiring a lawyer may sound expensive, but with our mobile app and for less than $1 a day, we open the door to experienced lawyers and the justice system. A lawyer can be the key to a happy home. Take 5 minutes to sign up and join the millions we already empower across North America. LegalShield. Find your justice.